he opens his mouth and he needs dentures. Now he's biting.
Atlantic City at that point. Now he likes your hair.
Yeah, he's gonna eat it. All right.
Oh, look at this.
Hi, my buddy.
That's amazing.
I can't believe this is happening right now. How bizarre is this?
Everything. What I've learned is everything happens for a reason.
I'm cool. You're glad you're taking a picture too.
Neither. Well, you know, maybe nature's telling us something and we're not paying attention. I think you're right. It's time for the whole world to come together. You guys and us together. What do you think?
Hey, dude. How you doing?
Think about it from his standpoint. There's nothing else to do.
Oh my God, he's in your ear.
Not yet. He's just kind of talking to me, saying hello,
What if he pecks you?
and he pecks me.
Oh, he'll
He
peck.
pecked Howard a little bit. You don't even feel it, Em. I'm Grizzly Adams.
Yeah, there you go.
Come on, guys.
You don't want to cool? Can you see yourself on the phone? Peeing on me. Peeping on me. I just can't believe a wild bird would be like this.
No. No. You know, yeah, we make settlement next month, so that's cool.
Okay, that's so weird.
My buddy's back. Guess he's had enough. Checking out. Coming your way, Howard.
What's going on with you? I do. Just be cool. Okay? Listen, if I was hungry, I'd pick something a little less. Okay.
He's like, what? I can't hear you. Back to the phone.
Okay.
He's got a comment.
Yeah. Oh, I wish this thing was working now.
I got some video for you. I'll share with you.
Spreading this coronavirus.
We're in trouble now. I'm the one. I go up, be real friendly to people. Our Corona buddy here. Oh, you want the... Oh, don't slip there.